I think the key issue that we all face at the moment is a future that we choose. We have two possible futures, and the choices that we make now will determine those. The two possible futures are to do with achieving the goals of the Paris Agreement, whether we can achieve those, net carbon zero by 2030, 2050 or not. And as individuals, through very small step changes, it's quite remarkable the possibilities as individuals that we have within our grasp to achieve those. Sustainable development, as it stands, is a contradiction in terms. It's a subject that presents problems rather than solutions, and confusion that we've had now for over 50 years, where we've recognised the problem. I think if you step outside the subject of sustainable development and consider some of the alternatives and compare and contrast those, then we can have that. We can have sustainable development with alternatives. One of the alternatives is transitioning towards an economy that is slightly less. That's not to say we can't have growth, we can't have development, all of the things that we rely on in our lives, but perhaps more of the things that are more important to us and fewer of the things that are less important to us. What we explore through my teaching is how, as individuals, we can make a difference. What we do is we unpick the reasons why change has not happened since we become aware of the problems since the 1970s, and how, as individuals, we can enact meaningful and lasting change. Choice comes through knowledge, through education, and understanding the factors that limit our choices. And often our choices are limited based on the information that we have. And the changes that we can make in terms of the future that we choose are actually greater than we think. And through the teaching that I provide, we explore the power of individual choice and action, and we explore how we can make different choices. Every year, I believe I have the opportunity to make a real difference to students, and that is a humbling privilege and a wonderful opportunity.